With multi-location management, when menu content is created at the enterprise level, it is automatically inherited by all locations. You can then override this data at the location level as needed. Let's have a look at how this works. First, select your enterprise. From the menu page, select the Items tab to create a new item. You can also create departments, modifiers, etc. But for this video, we will focus on adding an item. Click on Add Item. Before we continue, note the enterprise icon and name at the top of the screen. This is to confirm that we are creating this item at the enterprise level. Now let's add the basic information for the item. Add a name for the item. Add its price. Select the department for the item and specify its revenue class. Finally, click Save to finish adding the item. Here is the item we just added. It's created at the enterprise level and is automatically inherited in all child locations. So if we go to Location 1, a child location, we see the item here as well. You also have the option of adding an item on the location level as needed. Click on Add Item while on the location level. Again, note the icon and name at the top of the screen to indicate we are adding this item at the location level. Add the basic information like name, price, department, and revenue. And click Save. And now, while viewing the location, we see the item that was just added. Note that the item has a different icon than the enterprise item. This is to indicate that the item is only for this specific location. So now we have the item created at the parent enterprise level, which was inherited by the child location, and we have the item that was created specifically on this location. Now let's override some of the settings for the enterprise item at this location. Select the enterprise item. While many of the item specs like name and department are grayed out, the system will allow you to change some of the specifics of the item. For example, let's change the price. Now the item is priced differently at this location. Note that, if necessary, you can click on the Reset button to set the price back to its enterprise configuration. If you scroll further down the Edit Item window, you will see additional sections that can be edited for the item at this location. Let's click Save to continue. Now we see that the item at this location has the updated price, and the icon has an indicator showing that the item has overrides. Going back to the enterprise, we see the item as usual, but we also see that the item has overrides from this icon here. When an override is present, any changes to this value at the enterprise level will not apply to locations with overrides. For the location to use enterprise values, the override must be cleared. If you click on the three dots, you will see the option to edit item overrides. Clicking on this option will show you what was overridden and by which location. If you do not want the location to use this override, simply click on the Reset button and the system will reset the information. Now click Save and confirm your action. Now the item is set back to its original settings. And if we go back to the location, we see that the price has been updated to match the enterprise price.